Are you looking for the top 5 car scratch removers you need? Everyone thinks the best-selling car scratch remover is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Carfident Scratch Repair Kit. The Carfident Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover caught my attention with its promise to erase years of wear from your car's paint. Priced around $21.97, it's positioned as an affordable solution for those looking to restore their vehicle's appearance. If you want a simple way to tackle light scratches and swirls, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This kit comes with a premium rubbing compound and a buffer pad, making it super easy to remove those annoying scratches and swirls. The formula works on all paint types, which means whether you have a glossy finish or a matte color, it's safe to use. With over 10,000 sales in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice among car owners. Now, some people complained that it might not work as well on deeper scratches. Here's the thing though, it's not a miracle worker for major damage, but for light blemishes, it truly shines. So if your scratches are superficial, you're in good hands. This is perfect for you if you're a casual car owner looking to maintain your vehicle's appearance without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you have deep scratches that need professional attention. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the Carfident's inability to handle deep scratches bothers you,
Product number 2, Meguiar's Quick Eraser Kit. Next up is the Meguiar's Quick Eraser Kit. This one caught my eye because it's designed to work with your drill, making it a time saver for many. While the price isn't specified, it's considered a premium product that many swear by. If you want a quick way to tackle fine scratches, this is worth a serious look. What really stands out is its micro-abrasive technology, which allows you to erase light scratches and scuffs without damaging your paint. The kit includes everything you need, a drill-mounted pod and a microfiber towel for easy cleanup. With thousands sold recently, it's clear that many are happy with the results. This makes it perfect for those quick touch-ups before a big event. However, some users found that the drill activation can be a bit tricky for first-timers. Now, I get it, using power tools can be intimidating if you're not handy, but once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how effortless it makes the process. This is ideal for DIY car enthusiasts who want professional results at home. Skip this if you're uncomfortable using power tools or just want a simple hand-operated solution. For the ease of use, it's priced.
Product number 3, Exto Tar Black Touch-Up Paint. Now, let's talk about the Exto Tar Black Touch-Up Paint. I found this one interesting because it specifically targets color accuracy, and at just $11.99, it's very affordable. If you want to touch up small scratches with precision, this is worth a serious look. This paint is designed to match the original color of your car, making it seamless when applied. It's not just easy to use, it dries quickly in about 10 minutes, which is a huge plus for busy people. The fact that it's waterproof and UV resistant means it will hold up over time, preventing rust and further damage. Given that over 3,000 have been sold this month, it's clearly a trusted choice. Now, some people found that it may not match every shade of black perfectly. Here's the thing though, if your car has a unique paint job, you might want to test it first. But for most standard black vehicles, it's a perfect match. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly solution for small scratches. Skip this one if you need to cover larger areas since it's designed for minor touch-ups. Considering its price, it's a fantastic deal for those minor fixes. Now, if the Exto Tar's limited application bothered you, this next product might offer a broader.
Product number 4, Chemical Guys VSS Scratch Remover. Next on the list is the Chemical Guys VSS One-Step Scratch and Swirl Remover. I've seen it recommended a lot, especially for those looking to restore a car's gloss. Priced at $21.97, it sits at a sweet spot for those wanting quality without spending a fortune. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for scratches and swirls, this is worth a serious look. What's impressive here is that it combines both cutting power and finishing polish in one. This means you can tackle light to moderate scratches while also restoring shine, and you don't need any additional products. It's safe for all paint types and works great whether you do it by hand or with a machine. With 2,000 units sold last month, it's clearly a popular pick among car detailers. However, some users mentioned it could take a bit of elbow grease for tougher marks, but honestly, that's expected with most products. If you're willing to put in a little work, the results can be seriously rewarding. This is perfect for detailing enthusiasts who appreciate a bit of effort for a professional finish. Skip this if you need a quick fix without any manual labor. For its performance, it's worth every penny. Now, if the Chemical Guy's manual effort...
Product number 5, Turtle Wax Scratch Repair. Finally, we have the Turtle Wax Scratch Repair in Renew. This is a popular choice, especially due to its versatility. Priced at $12.99, it's a budget-friendly option for those who want to tackle multiple issues at once. If you want a comprehensive solution for various car blemishes, this is worth a serious look. This product effectively removes light scratches, scuffs, and even water spots. It's infused with protective resins that bond to the clear coat, ensuring your repairs last longer than with many other products. Suitable for all paint colors, it's designed for both DIYers and professionals alike. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clearly doing something right. However, some users found that it didn't perform as well on deep scratches. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for major damage, but for light touch-ups, it works wonders. If your car has minor imperfections, you'll be pleased. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-use product for various scratches. Skip this if you're dealing with deeper issues that need professional help.
So, there you have it. We covered the Carfident Scratch Repair Kit for light scratches, Meguiar's Quick Eraser for quick touch-ups, X-Dutour's Block Touch-Up Paint for precision, Chemical Guy's VSS for detail enthusiasts, and Turtle Wax for a broad range of issues. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best before making a choice.